All right. Now, again, yesterday, we did the second worksheet, right? And I asked you to take a look at the first. Is that right? Okay, so now I want everybody to look up there. All right, and see how you did. All right. Your job right now is to look and see how you're doing. All right, checking your work. What? I think the homework was the first page, wasn't it? Yeah, we start. Oh, that was. Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys. There you go. So there's the second page. There's the first page. Right? Now you guys double check yourselves. Go to the first page. See what you're doing. And then if you need my assistance or you're not sure about one, you can raise your hand. All right, let's take a look quickly at number 12. All right, I'm going to see if you can follow along. 2 times v. So I got 2v. And 2 times negative 5 is negative 10.
Oh, I accidentally subtracted the 9 minus 6.
You with me?
Yeah.
Yes, very good. That's a common mistake. All right, listen, try to remember, one's a variable. One is called a constant. You can't combine variables and constants. You have to leave it alone. All right? Yes. Number which one? 27. All right, let's take a look quickly at 10, then I'll head out to 27. Then you can kind of see if you got that same thing. Yeah, now again, what he just said is kind of important. I see my mistake. All right, that's what you're supposed to be doing, seeing your mistakes and correcting them. All right? Now, again, remember, we try to put things in alphabetical order. All right? And then we always put the constant at the end. All right? It's not wrong. It's just the standard form. All right? Things are put in alphabetical order, and the constant is at the end. Yes? Let's go to 29. Is that what you said? Okay, yeah, let's do 27 real quick. Everybody take a look at 27. Now, again, remember what you're doing is you're saying negative 11f minus 1f is negative 12f. Negative 12 plus 13 is a positive 1. Then you're adding 6 plus 4 is 10, minus 9 is 1. Okay, now we'll do 29. All right, let's take a look at 29. All right, highlights. Negative 1 plus 2 is 1. 1 minus 3 is negative 2. You hear that? And then the constants. Sometimes the constants get hidden, so you have to be careful. All right? It would be 1 plus 2 plus 1. 1 plus 2 plus 1 is plus 4. Good enough? Yes, sir.
I have a question on 28.
Okay, let's take a look at 28.
I got it.
You good on that? Very nice. Very nice. Good job today. Somebody else? Girls in the back? Good? Good. Girls up front? Good. Good. Collins, everything good with you? Pretty easy, do you agree? All right, does anybody have any questions? Anything else on this worksheet? With me? All right. Nice. All right, let's take a look at number 20. Now, again, good little problem here. G minus 6G negative 5G. You with me on that? And then negative 7 plus 1, negative 6. How's everybody doing? You agree? It's not that hard. The main thing, distributive property. Do we agree? And then combining like terms. Max, what?
Number 23. Does it make a difference if you put -9?
We just talked about that. I said standard form is to put the variables first and then the constants. All right, I'm not going to mark it wrong on your test if you write -9 plus 6a. I just know you don't what? You just don't listen. If you write -9 plus 6a, you're just not listening. All right? Yes.
Can you combine 23?
Show you? All right. So here we go. Let's look at the a's first. So here we go. How much is that? Which makes? And now we're looking at there you go, buddy. All right, I'm glad. Okay, 24. Now, do you see the hard part is distributing the -8. -8 times v,
That's 8v.
-8v,
Oh, -8v, yes.
right?
Oh, and
Then -8 times +3, which is -24. See? -8
so yes, I do see it. My bad.
and
Then you
-24.
add both three.
Right? Then I add the v's. -8v plus 7v, -8v plus 7v, -1v.
Oh, I understand.
And then 21 minus 24 plus 3 is 0. Everybody good on that? All right, that's a lot now. We did a lot. All right. So now what I want everybody to do is let's close that page and everybody pull up 7.3. You're going to like 7.3. It's just as easy as yesterday. And actually, I'm not going to have to say too much about it today. All right? Everybody pull it up. All right, do me a favor, Julian. Turn around so you can always watch. All right? Yes. Okay. Is everybody loaded, ready to go?
Yes.
All right, here we go. Now, today, listen, I want to try to explain something. The parentheses are used to show that that's a quantity. Listen to what I'm saying. All right? Now, most of the time, it shows you that you're supposed to do the distributive property. But does everybody agree here? There's no number in front here and no number in front here. So we're not really distributing. What they're trying to do is they're trying to tell you that you're adding x plus 8 to 6x plus 3. That's it. So that would be, go ahead, let's see if you can do it. No. We're adding them together. All right, Julia, why don't you help him? What do you think it would be? Exactly. Because you're just simply combining like terms. All right. Now, if I were doing this, I would combine the addition with the subtraction. But tomorrow, I think we're going to do the subtraction. Okay? So today, it's really easy. All we're doing is we're practicing now adding and subtracting integers. Everybody with me on this? Right? So what's 1x plus 6x again, Julia? Yes. 7x plus 11. All right, now we're just going to go down the page right now. All right, so Jesse, I want to see if you're with me. What do you think number 3 would be?
I think that would be 13x plus 14.
You are awesome. 13x plus 14. Now remember, as we're going around the room, you're trying to do 5 now.
Yeah.
7x plus 6x. You're just combining terms. All right? Abby, go. What?
Oh, I have a question here. What is it? Why isn't it 2 used?
It is. What is 2 plus 12?
That's 14.
All right, Abby, be real careful. Number 5. You are awesome. Negative 3x plus 6. All right, is everybody okay with this, right? All right. Max, you're up. Number 7.
10. Oh, wait. So you would combine.
I just want the answer.
Oh, 10x minus 5.
10x minus 5. Nice. That's it. Now, of course, everybody's supposed to have number 9 done before Connor tells us the answer to number 9. Now, they tried to mess with you here because why? They switched it up, right? So the answer, though, is 4x plus 5. Now, remember what I'm trying to tell you now. I want you to speak up sooner rather than later. What's the matter? So it's negative 2x and 6x.
Oh, because the X.
You got to combine. See, they mixed it up on you. Try to mess you up a little bit. Now you got to combine the constants, right? The positive 3 and the positive 2. All right. Mr. Hooker, you're up.
13x.
Yep, 13x plus 3. 13x plus 3 is correct. Sebastian, you're up. The next one. Next odd. Negative 9x minus 10. Negative 9x minus 10. Boys in the back, you guys with me? All right, I want you checking your work. All right. Colin, give me about 15, buddy.
15 is 3x plus 9.
Excellent as usual. 3x plus 9. Madeline, you're on 17. Yes, 16x minus 6. Thank you so much. It was just, just that one up there. I don't know what happened last night, but I do appreciate it very much.
I just got an email, sorry.
No, don't be sorry. I appreciate it very much. All right, is everybody okay with 16x minus 6? All right. Now remember, you're not allowed to write the answer. You are not allowed to write the answer. You're allowed to tell me what the answer is or change yours to the correct answer. All right, that's what you're supposed to be doing. Yes, good for you, buddy. Well, tell me why you think there's a subtract. Oh, I know what you're doing. Listen. Okay, he made a good mistake. Look right here. Listen to me. What I want you to do is I want you to read this right here. What does that say? And then what does this say? Yeah, see, it's not this one. Listen to me. He made a good he learned something really good right now. Listen to me. Everybody pay attention. This can be minus or a negative. Everybody hear me? A minus and a negative is exactly the same.
Yes.
The number in front or the sign in front tells you how many there are. So the 12 is what? Positive. And the 4 is what? The 23 is negative. And the 17 is, now you understand, right? Very important. Very important. All right, let's do 19. Ava, I think you're up, right? Yeah. 19. Negative 6x minus 4. Now I'm going to show you why you made a mistake. Look, again, this is what?
20.
Nope. Negative 20. This is, yes, negative 20 plus 14. Right? You with me? All right. Uh-oh, Ellis. Okay, so now read this for me. Hold on, Ellis. We'll get you. Read this. right? That's what I'm trying to teach you. The sign in front tells you whether it's positive or negative. The sign in front tells you whether it's positive or negative. All right, so Ellis, you got a longer one, but it's no different. All right, so tell me about 21. 7x plus 2. Number 21. Please check your work. 7x plus 2. Everybody good? All right. Caroline. Go ahead. Shh, listen to her now. How'd you get that? Which is? And then? Wait a minute now. Hold on. You said 9x minus 3x, which is? You're right. And then? There you go, girl. Don't worry, don't worry. 4x. Okay. Now what? Say it again. I didn't hear you. Plus 10. That's correct. All right. Everybody okay with that? Good? Now we're just going to go right down again. Everybody's going to give it a shot. All right? Please, please stay with me. I know it's easy, but checking your answers is important. Will, you're up. Number 2. Awesome. Very good.
Wouldn't it be positive since it's double negative?
You owe your mom 2, and you owe your dad 4.
No, I know that. I was just asking if it would be negative. But I know.
Okay. All right. Number 4. Tell me about 4. You're up.
I'll be alright. Number 4. So it's gonna
Be careful.
10. It's gonna be 22x.
Good.
And then it's 12x.
Nope.
Or 12.
Nope. Think about it for a second, buddy. Look up. Look up. What is this?
That's gonna be negative.
Negative 4. Say negative 4.
Negative 4.
And then what's this?
That's it. It's a plus. So that's gonna be positive.
Think about it. You owe me.
Positive 4.
Yes, positive 4. Come on now. Just think before you say. All right? Think before you speak. Plus 4. 22x plus 4. All right. Next. 4x minus 4. Brilliant. Jesse, yes. So close. You said 11x. Look at it again carefully. Yes, it would be. Yep. Oh, excellent. Negative 11x plus 6. Now again, we're really concentrating on adding and subtracting integers here. You got to be good at that. Jesse, is that good? All right, Julia, let's hear you, girl, loud and proud. Yep. Negative 2x what? You owe me $7. You have 18 in your hand. You're going to owe me 11 more after you pay me? That's right. You see what I'm saying, right? Yes. Be careful, be careful, be careful. Please be careful with your adding and subtracting. Please be careful with your adding and subtracting. You good with that, Julia? All right, Max, 12.
Negative 8x minus 1.
You're awesome. Negative 8x minus 1. Negative 8x minus 1. All right, Connor. Number 14.
Oh, right, sorry. 3x plus 6.
You're awesome. 3x plus 6. Julian, take your time and get it right. 16.
So 35
Yep.
And then it would be -3.
Yes, thank you so much. Very good. 35x minus 3. All right. Number 18, Sebastian. -6x plus 10. Perfect. Colin, you're up now.
We're at
20, yes, sir.
3x plus 2.
3x plus what?
2.
You are correct as usual. 3x plus 2. Tried to scare you a little bit there. Tried to scare you a little bit. 3x plus 2. Perfect, as usual. Thank you. All right, Abby, come on now. 2x plus 3. Are you sure? Of course. You said it. It's correct. Right? There you go. I like the confidence. 2x plus 3. Any questions or concerns? All right. Sweet Caroline, you got the last one for today. Take your time. -4x. Shh. Yay, very good. -4x minus 3. -4x minus 3. All right? Anybody have any questions or concerns? Any questions? Okay, now listen, guys. Hear me out, please. All right? Listen, you really should get your work done in class. All right? Now listen, when you're done, we're just going to be quiet. Does everybody hear me? You're going to find something to do. We're at the end of the week. All right? Getting ready for a vacation. Try to get some other work done if you get done early. All right? Anybody have any questions? You can also double check with your neighbor. All right? If you want to double check your answers. You guys, iPads, make sure you're using them properly. All right. Everybody else.
So we do the Russell Shakespeare of Janet